Hi, it's Heather Miche with Across the Fence Farm, and today I'm showing you how to, at least one way, save some of your overwintering delicate plants and veggies for super cold temps and snow and ice. So this is my very tiny overwintering bed where I've got those two romaine plants that went in the ground. I think it was in maybe mid-October. Caught some year-end, as in year-end gardening, closeouts. Got a great deal on them. And then these are my chards that this is now the second winter that they have been growing. Got some rainbow chard and then some green yellow chard and those red sales lettuce starts that came from the plants I had growing this summer. And when I saved the seed, these seeds got blown off into the bed, or fell off into the bed, and now they've been growing. So if I can keep these babies going through the winter, I can transplant them in, like maybe April, and have them become mature for yummy eating this late spring and summer. So here's what I've got is I've just got some wire length here, some wire grid and posts such as this here, which is falling over because the wind was crazy last night, really crazy. So here is the cover. This is an old shower curtain. Great repurposing. Found it in somebody's trash. There's no holes, no tears in it. I think they just didn't want to clean it. And so I'm using it for this and have used this for a couple years now. And it works great. So I'm just got it anchored here on the wire grid with some clothespins. There's some old clothespins that I've designated for garden use so they can get wet and do their job and still be intact. And then just bring this guy, see how I've made a little corner kind of here, put it over your staking frames like so, and I've got it clipped down, gathered up so that it will have a better chance of staying on the frame when the wind blows and the snow comes, etc. And then this one I have to keep that wire frame from falling into the bed. So it's really challenging. I gotta say, you gotta do this when the wind's blowing. Definitely gotta do it more than a few times. But that's the basics. Old shower curtain, I just need to anchor this a little bit better over here. And also put a little trench that's going to drain the rain and snow off. Because if you have it really taut on the top, it's just going to accumulate, and then with the weight of water or snow, it's just going to topple. So there you go. There's a way. And it's okay that this does not go all the way around as far as having plastic all the way down to the ground. This is enough protection that last year, gosh, when we had big snowstorm, boy, those chards just hung right in there. And the kale, those are fine. They don't mind being snowed on. So that's it. I'm going to do a little tidying of it and do it very hurriedly because it's cold and windy out here. Just about a little bit above freezing. So there's your tip. Protect your delicate greens and whatever you might be overwintering. Happy gardening. Stay safe. And don't forget to like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Share this tip. And comment with any questions.